So the question is, explain this code. Okay, so in this code we have created a dictionary. Okay, so these are the keys which are in red, and the green are corresponding values of these keys. Okay, like this. Now come to the next line. In this line there is a list comprehension. Okay, so for this list comprehension, what we are writing dictionary dot items. When we are calling dot items, it means we are taking both keys and values. Okay, if we write here only dot keys, so it will take only key. If you write here values dot values, it will take only values. But since we are writing here dot item, it will take key and values both. Okay, so this thing will pick all the keys and values, okay, and make tuples of these key values. Okay, so it will be like this, flower 10, trees 20, cherries 6, like this it will be created. Okay, these are the tuples, and these entire tuples are in a list. So this dictionary dot item will create our data like this. Okay, now we are using lambda function. So the code was up to this much only, but since the result is given, so I have created this items. Okay, so I have created myself. So what we are saying, item 1 here. Okay, so from each tuples, what we are taking the values, because what I'm writing, I'm writing here indexing, I'm giving 1. Okay, so it will take these values here. If I'll write here 0, it will take keys, but since I have written here 1, so it will take the values here. Okay, reverse is equal to 2. It means whatever the order will give, it will be arranged in the descending order. Okay, so see, it has taken 10, 26, 1, 2 and 7. Okay, so this much has been finished. Now we are writing sorted. Okay, so sort them into descending order. So it will be sorted like 20, 10 and then 7, 6, 2, 1. Okay, the sorting will be based on this one. Okay, so this one is also done. Now we are writing for item in this one, item is equal to item 0. So indexing we are writing here 0. Okay, so these are our items. Okay, so for these items like this, these are our items. For these items we are saying that indexing is equal to 0. It means take the key values here. Okay, key values here. Since it is sorted, so we are here right now. Okay, we are here. Now we are saying take the 0 indexing items. So 0 indexing items are tree, flower, light, this one. Okay, so and we are in next line we are saying print sorted value, because whatever the values will be assigned here, okay, it will come to the sorted value, and this sorted value we are saying print it. Okay, so it will print like this. Okay, it will give us list, because this is a list. Okay, I'm again explaining what is happening here in short. What are we saying? Create a dictionary. Okay, we have created a dictionary. Now saying dictionary dot items, it means pick all key and value both, and it will create the tuples. Okay, so we are here. Now we are saying that in lambda function we are saying take the first element. Okay, so indexing is equal to 1, so it will pick up 10, 26, 1 like this. Okay, and we are saying sort them. Okay, so the sorting will be based on these number 10, 20 like this. Okay, so here the sorted values. Okay, so now what we are saying, for item we are saying that 0, take the indexing 0, so it will take trees, flower, light, okay, like this, and print them. So we will get this result. Let's see what result we will get, and we will change some code so that we can understand in more better way. So we are getting here trees, light like this. Let's change this one to 1. Okay, now we are running it again. Now we'll get 20, 11, 10, 6, 2, 1. Okay, since we are writing here items means it will take key and value both. Okay, we are writing here 1, so our the sorting function will be based on the 1. Okay, so it means on the basis of the values. Now we are saying that pick the first element, okay, of these tuples. So it is picking the 10, 20 like this, but since we have said that sort them, so it will be sorted into the descending order. Okay, because reverse is equal to true. Okay, and print it. If you write here 0, it will again give us the key values. Okay, I hope you got the functionality of this code. If you understand it, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.